House Brand presents Top 10 News Headlines. Now, introducing ready-to-eat meals. House Brand Curry Powder and Spices.
4 MLAs are named in FIR, charging them with instigating communal tensions in Muzaffarnagar. UP Police has cordoned off the State Assembly to arrest the accused MLAs. Arrest warrants have been issued against several UP politicians, including BSP and BJP MLAs and 16 other people. UP Assembly saw unruly scenes of the riots, with opposition BSP and BJP trying to corner the SP government. BJP MLA challenges UP Police to arrest him. Coal Ministry has handed over files of coal blocks to the CBI, but National Daily newspaper has reported that the key files on mega projects given to corporate giants like Reliance Power and Tata Sponge and Iron remain untraceable. Also, missing are the minutes of screening committee's meeting, which finalized coal block allocation. Supreme Court has directed the Coal Ministry to hand over missing documents to the CBI. CBI has claimed that over 50 important files in the case were missing. India's Kashmir pressed Pakistan authorities for a speedy clearance of the permits for Indians so that they could meet their relatives across the border. Custodian of Chakdabag district of Jammu and Kashmir state said that they are holding talks from the neighbouring country to speed up the work. According to authorities, 8,000 Pakistan-occupied Kashmir visitors have crossed the LOC to meet their relatives in India, whereas 4,000 Indians have been able to cross Pakistan side. Defense lawyer in Delhi gang rape case AP Singh has been asked by the Bar Council of Delhi to explain his remark that he would burn his daughter alive if she had premarital sex. Singh has been asked to reply by October 11, when the council will take up the matter for a final hearing. Singh risks losing his license to practice law, with the Bar Council stating that his comments amounted to professional misconduct. India increased the import duties on gold jewellery to 15% from 10% in a move aimed more at protecting the domestic jewellery industry rather than stemming overseas purchase to its narrow current account deficit. The world's top gold consumer left the import duty on bullion unchanged at 10% by keeping the import tax on jewellery higher than that of bullion. Price-conscious consumers would be forced to buy those manufactured within India. PM Nawaz Sharif has said that Pakistan is keen to have comprehensive dialogue with India for the resolution of all the issues, including Kashmir. Describing the recent tensions at LOC as a matter of concern, Sharif said that the Pakistan will respond to the situation with restraint and responsibility. A series of attacks across Iraq killed at least 32 people. A series of car bombs exploded in Shia neighborhood, killed at least 15 people. The deadliest attack took place in Sunni Muslim Society of Western Iraq, where 3 suicide bombers attacked a police station, killing at least 8 people. Sunni Muslim insurgents, including those affiliated to Al-Qaeda, have insignificantly increased their attacks since the beginning of the year. Australia's new Conservative PM Tony Abbott is sworn in at the ceremony 11 days after the election that swept his Liberal Nation coalition to power. Abbott took an oath of allegiance to Queen Elizabeth II before Australia's Governor-General Quinton Bryce at Government House in Canberra. Abbott immediately began work after swearing-in ceremony, attending an Executive Council meeting with the Governor-General. Russia said that a UN Security Council resolution in Syria's chemical weapon attack would not contain any references to the use of force. Russian Foreign Minister said that the top task is to fulfill a plan for destruction of Syria's chemical weapons. US and Russia has an agreement under which Syria must submit a comprehensive listing of its chemical weapons stockpiles in 1 week. UK's biggest online university project is being launched, with more than 20 universities offering free courses. Students will be able to follow courses on mobile phones as well as computers. The UK's project, called FutureLearn, will seek UK universities entering the global market in so-called MOOCs massive open online courses.
House Brand presents Top 10 News Headlines. Extra long grain superior basmati rice, specially mixed atta flour, superior grade beans and lentils. Now introducing ready to eat meals. House Brand Curry Powder and Spices.